Hi, Michelle here from My British Passport. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for a British passport renewal online. Step 1. Go to mybritishpassport.com and click Renew Online now. Step 2. Confirm your location by selecting the country you are applying from. Step 3. Complete the online application form and click Submit. It is important that you have your old or current British passport with you when completing this form, so that you have all of the information that you need. Step 4. Once you click Submit, you are redirected to a payment page. You can pay via Visa, MasterCard or American Express. Once you have completed your application, you will receive an email advising you of the next steps to follow. Once your application is processed, you can expect your new blue British passport to be delivered to you in a few weeks. Visit mybritishpassport.com today and get your easy application started.